Griffin Cooper here. This one was on Alcoa, and we had missed this collapsing dragon, but then I had this leg down. It was turning over the PSAR flip, so we played for a short here using just a simple trail stop like this. Got quickly stopped out. On that one, that was Alcoa. The other trade we had was VXX. This one was nice. A big down leg, pulled back, same kind of trade exactly. Collapsing dragon through this level. Initial stop here. Just use a simple trail stop. Once it got to 2R, I tightened it up to actually half an R, and then was ready to take profits. But then once it got back down to 2.5, I opened it back up to a full trail of execution. Risk trail came all the way down, actually broke yesterday's low, bounced back right at the end of the session. So that one was pretty nice.